So in today's video, we're going to look at the xlVeryHidden function. So this allows you to hide a sheet in your workbook and users will not be able to see it. So here's an example. So we've got a bunch of data here. These are just animals listed A to Z. You can put in a letter and it'll look up that animal. A lot of times you'll want to hide this data. So if I hide this sheet, the user can still do what they need to do. They can put in a letter. It will return the animal. But they can unhide the sheet. They can see it and they know it's there. They could go in, they could do something with it. You may have data that you don't want users to be able to see. So by writing one little line of code, you can hide this sheet so nobody can actually see it. So it is called the very hidden function. So write this line of code, obviously use the sheet name that is related to your sheet. So I've got this workbook.sheets data.visible equals xlVeryHidden. You see the other options here. You've got Excel sheet hidden, and then you've got Excel sheet visible are the other options that you can do here. But we're going to do xlVeryHidden. So if I run this code, you will see that this sheet is no longer there. I can still look up and do different lookups. So it still works. But when I try and unhide that, it's not there. In order to unhide it, you need to run code again. So you would have to run a code like this. Obviously, it doesn't matter if the first one's still there. And it will reappear. So here it is back. So that xlVeryHidden, one line of code allows you to be able to hide a sheet without your user being able to unhide it through the UI. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.